Hello there guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to upload a 10-minute videos on TikTok. Firstly, you need to go on your inbox section on the fourth one, and then you need to go on your upper side by clicking on the left side, and you need to choose the last selection from TikTok. Now as you can see, if you tap on account updates, on the first side I have an upload longer videos. Upload videos up to 10 minutes longer from your device. Make sure you're using the laser version of TikTok before trying out the feature on your application or TikTok.com. Now guys, with this you know that you have the option for just uploading a video up 10 to 10 minutes. Now if I go on my create section, and here as you can see here on these sides, I don't have that option for 10 minutes. This is because it cannot be shown from here. Just what you need to do, you need to go and upload it from your right wing by typing on upload. Now here you need to find a video that is related to 10 minutes. Now if I scroll down, I think that I cannot find a video with upper to 10 minutes, but I will go and select more videos that could be included and taking off a 10-minute session. Here I will need to wait for uploading because I don't have a video in my gallery which is related to 10 minutes. And when you're gonna go for the main paint, then you're gonna have the option for uploading. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.